One of Africa's most emotional football stories, a story of pain, hope, and victory. Zambia is not just about football, it's about resilience. Because this country turned tragedy into triumph. In 1993, Zambia lost almost its entire national team in a plane crash. A moment that shocked the whole continent. This was more than football. It was a national tragedy. But Zambia did something incredible. They rebuilt. New players stepped up. Young talent believed again. And in 2012, something unforgettable happened. Zambia won the Africa Cup of Nations. Not just anywhere, but in the same country where the tragedy happened. This was not just a victory, this was destiny. Today, Zambia is continuing to build its football future. Clubs like Zesco United and Nkana FC are developing players and competing in African tournaments. The local league is growing stronger, more structure, more organization, more belief. Here is something powerful. Zambia is also rising in women's football. The national team is making history on the global stage. Young players are now dreaming bigger than ever. At the same time, youth development is improving. Because Zambia knows the future starts young. Zambia's strength is not just talent, it's spirit. No matter the challenges, they keep coming back stronger. Quietly building, quietly growing. Zambia is not just a football nation, it's a story of courage. And sometimes, the strongest teams are born from hardest moments. Subscribe, because Africa's football story is full of surprise.